Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we have a brand new RAM RHO and I'm going to teach you how to remove the front grille. The first thing you want to do, we're going to remove the top cover. It's held by nothing but push pins. So these push pins, just get a screwdriver, pry it underneath, kind of twist it a little bit. I have a prying tool, makes it a little simpler. So here I'm going to take all of them out. So now that we got all the push pins out, we can just lift up on the plastic trim, kind of get it unpinched from the sides. So now we can go ahead and unclip the top cover and put this away. So the next thing we want to remove is this top brow, and we have to remove 8mm screws all around. So after removing all the bolts on top, we notice there's two push pins, one on each side. We're going to go ahead and pry these off as well. Go. 1, 2. Now after removing everything, this should just come out. So now we have 4 10mm screws that we have to remove here. So next thing I want to do, I want to unclip these side panels. So there are clips here along the edge of this panel that we're trying to unclip. I like to use painter's tape in order to protect the surface, because I am going to be prying it with a screwdriver. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this here. Better safe than sorry. I don't want to scratch anything up. So when I peel this, there's latches here. So here you can see that latch, and I'm going to try to pry it with a screwdriver. There we go. If you press down on it, like this, it'll unlatch. Okay, so I'm going to work my way up. The hardest one is the bottom latch, because the top ones, they'll release themselves. There we go. There's only 3 clips that we're trying to undo. So now I'm on the passenger side. I'm gonna grab my tape just to kind of protect the plastic trim. And I'm going to do the same thing. Now once you unclip the bottom one, it's a lot easier to get the top ones. It's all clips. So now that we got all the clips off, we can remove these 3 screws. These are 10mm. Let's do the same thing on the driver's side. So we took out these 3 bolts. And now we just have to unclip the top and we can pull the grill off. So there's a camera that we have to unhook, and the plug will be right here. Let's go ahead and disconnect the camera. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this clip. That's gonna free up this harness. Okay, so now there's a button here on top. You're gonna press it and you're just gonna disconnect it. So now the fact that the camera is disconnected and all the hardware, we can raise these clips up and remove the top grill. Pop this up, and we're going to go ahead and remove. That without scratching anything. And this is how we remove the grill from the brand new RAM RHO. And please follow our other videos where we're going to be installing some light bars on the brand new RHO.